Hello, John with Traveler's Farm, and we've got a garage door opener and two remotes, but we got a couple of cars, so shuffling between, we decided to try to add some to that. And after looking around, checking local stores, looking online, we settled on some cheap ones from Amazon. These were $15 for the pair. See how well they work, see how hard they are to program, and they'll be small enough to mount somewhere in the car. Probably going to use some either double back tape or the Scotch Lock 3M Velcro like we have on our Easy Passes, just on it. That way we can pull it out if the batteries do go down pretty quick. Probably got a CR2032 battery, I would guess. I think that's what it said online, but we'll find out. All right, see if we can do this one shot. Typically, I like to try things out before I try to video it. Save time trying to jumble things around with my hands. But looking here, LED status green is what we want. We're green. That's because we have a purple button on our opener. So it says here, press and release the learn button, and the LED will glow steadily for 30 seconds. So press and hold the button on the remote I want to use for that operation. Release the button until the motor lights blink. So, or a click. So let's go up here. Can't really see up there. Okay. It clicked. And it works. First try. Yeah. Just it's that simple. I'm kind of happy that it worked that easy. That way I'm not sitting here scratching my head, but and we'll test out the range in a little bit. Okay, we're about 40 yards, 40 paces. We'll see if it works from here. And it sure does. So, looks like we have pretty good range. Little bitty guy, $15 for two of them. I think we have a winner. We'll see how long they last. And see what a mess I've got now. Just again, got more vehicles than we have garage door openers, and also more vehicles than we have space. But that's it. Got some fill dirt coming in just a minute. I'll have to spread that around. So thanks for watching.